Chukwu mmadụ n'ọkwụrụ ma onye mee nke ọma ebulie ya elu si ya jide nke o ji na-aga n'ihu. Biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kene n'Eze-Ana. Eze-Ana ị ga-adị Eze-Ana Ugochi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu nwoke ọma na oraifite ị ga-adị. Odinana bụ eziokwu, Odinana bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti, n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi. Eze-Ana Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọmanye je eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọmanye je eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu temple ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị okenye ga-adị front and back, ndị oche ga-adị front and back. Fada sekala aka nwere ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke faka mma buru Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ efekwa chọọchị fa obodo ụka bịakwa. Mmadụ Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe, Eze-Ana si na ọma mme. Ọdịnala ama nwụ ọma nwụ chacha, oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi. Chukwu abịa ma gbaa gị ume, ọdịnala ya dị. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọmanye je eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu.
Ọtụtụ ọma nọ, ekele gị m ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo. Anyị abịakwa n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Anyị bịara obere late due to some logistics problem, mana udo dị. Ihe anyị ji wee bịara ụbọchị taa bụ isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị taa. A sị na tata bụ orie eritere anyị ihe ọma ma dịpụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ, na akakaka ya ma anyị na jijiji ya ma anyị onye echeche ihe ọjọọ ya eme anyị ya ma onwe. A sị m onye sị na anyị ga-adị mma na onye a ga-adị mma, mana onye sị na ya ma adị mma na onye ahụ ma adịnata mma tiri ụwa gwụ ise. Aka m bụkwa onye nke gị Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na oraifite. Abụ m onye isi mgbasa ozi ụkwado onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi mgbasa ozi na onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer ministry. Bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'oge awa nke eziokwu nke ụtụtụ taa, ihe anyị ji wee bịa bụ distortions done against our culture, against our ọdịnala, site n'aka ndị ụka anyarị. Just giving a dog a bad name in order to hang it. A lot of lies, lots of lies was told against Africa, and there was distortions here and there, sold using the Bible as a vehicle and the white man religion to spread those falsehoods. Today, I will help the bandage to fall from your eyes, for you to understand the enormity of crime committed against African traditional religion. Crime done against ụzọ ndị be anyị si ebi ndụ, usoro obibi ndụ ndị be anyị akpọrọ ọdịnala. Before ndị anyarị abịarị na be anyị na-emagburu Chukwu. Ọ bụrụ ha gwara anyị maka Chukwu. Anyị mabu na Chukwu dị. Ndị anyarị abụrụ ha na-ekụziri ndị Afrịka. Ọ bụrụ ha akụziri ndị Afrịka usoro okpukpere Chukwu. Ndị Afrịka na-efebe oru Chukwu thousands of years before ndị anyarị abịa. Kedu ihe driver ha ji bịara Afrịka? Greener pasture. Ebe ha ga-ebute ihe mbute. Ebe ha ga-ebute akụnụba. They came to Africa, guys, distorted a lot of things. They took away our mineral resources. They took away our wealth, using it to develop their place. If I open your eyes, I open my mouth to talk. If you meet me face to face, I will tell you what these people done. Some of the things they did against Africa is not what I will say on social media. Because sometimes some people might say report because social media is still guided by what they call community rules and whatever. But let me tell you, the crime they committed is too numerous to mention. But I will mention some lies against our tradition. But before I go n'iru, echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Ọktoba ka na-aga n'iru. Ọ bụrụ na isonye wughị na aja ka a ga-apụchi na 19th nke ọnwa. Nke ọnwa Novemba ga-ebido na Novemba 6th. So ọ bụrụ na isonye wughị na nke ị nwere ike isonye na nke ọzọ. Isonye na ya bụ ihe ị niile bụ from submitting your 3 prayer requests. Make donation token to the account number. Ndị na-esobu na ya amarago the account number, mana ndị ọfụ ihe ị ga-eme chat m na WhatsApp. Ka m nwee ike book gị down. Kpọzie gị details anyị niile ịma. 0805-7837-672. 0805-7837-672. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu anyị ji 2 kaadị wee bịa. 2 cards anyị ji Glo, Airtime and anyị jikwa Airtel. Anyị mechie introduction anyị ga-akpọ Airtel. Anyị mechibezi ya anyị kpọọ Glo. Ka bụ ihe kwesịrị ịma. Then nke ọzọzi bụ gbasara ozi anyị ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị taa. Then ihe anyị ji maka ya wee bịa bụ ka let the bandage fall from your eyes. Ihe ị ga-eme bụ inweta meseji, oge ọbụla iji nweta meseji atụsara ya ndị enyi ọsọ ya nwere ike ime. So ihe anyị ji maka ya bịa n'ụbọchị taa ka nkọwala gị ka ebe ihe ndị a mere. There was lots of distortions even in the work they call Bible. Lots of lies was told to discredit our method of worship. Even what is called Judaism, even what you call Judaism, bụ usoro a ji emenya bụ ofufe na Judaism, bụ usoro eji Moses was raised by Africans, by African princess in the house of Pharaoh. So he learned everything from Africa. That is what they took back to their people. Oburu usoro okpukpere ha. Ka ị ga-afụtakwa n'usoro ha ji eme their synagogue, church of synagogue and their temples. So Africa is not lagging behind. But the strategy these people used, ndị ebere ha na-emele m bụ ndị kwere ka erie ha front and back. Esorim in the past. Manana Tagonda Benda. And when my eyes was opened, what they did is to demonize everything African, and they superimpose theirs for those their stuff to look more superior than ours. Some people can even call it a scam, that they scam Africa. Then, knowing what I knew, because I have learned a lot, I have read a lot of books, I've done a lot of researches, and I came to conclude that these people, they committed crime against Africans. And they have not shown a single love to we Africans. For that reason, in protest, I rejected all my English names to date. My English names used to be Paul and Anthony. I'm no longer interested in any of them. I prefer my real name, my native name, which is Chukunonyelum. Tell me, English name have more meaning, carry our African names. But they condemn some of these our names. Do they have good names? Some of the names that had the answer does not have a good meaning. Or they superimpose it. Let me give you an example. Go to dictionary, they will tell you that Maureen means small snake. This is the name you will answer and drop your own name. Before Machukumel. Ifoma for short. A happier Jena Zamorin. Makane Ridai, they came and they demonized everything. Then Nana had you. They came and told us lots of lies. That is the problem. They tell me, on every country, the Asians, the Africans, that will ever develop, if they cannot drop white man mentality. Because once technical-wise, science-wise, financial-wise, no country will develop in Africa or Asia using white man or Anyade man template. It's not possible. Check those we Africans that are over dependent on whites. Believe in me, whatever policies they are giving you is to keep enslaving you. What brought them to our continent first? Is it not greediness? They came to our land. Use divide and rule. They came to our place. Demonize us. Crumble some empires for them to establish their own. That is what they did. Whoever that is telling you that Oyibo man brought civilization is lying. I think Ethiopia is one of the African country that they never colonized. Today, Ethiopia in Africa is doing well. At least in Africa now, they have the highest airline network. That is fortunate. I have been to Addis Ababa. And some of my international trips, I have followed them. They are doing well. But look at what is happening in our country. Idea front and back. So they should not tell you not how colonized. When Egypt was for world power, the whole world goes to Egypt to learn and to go and seek for protection and whatever. That is even why when they want to Herod want to kill their Jesus, they took him to Egypt, where he schooled and grew up. After Charia, Zunye amamife, o wee nazie na Chineke ga na-akụzi nkụzi ndị mmadụ wee na-asị hey, amamihe nwa nke erika. Ọ ihe ọ mụtara n'Africa. I can tell you some countries rejected this Anyari method. But today they have already advanced technology wise. Look at the Chinese. Even some Asian countries that even allow this Anyari people to colonize them. Some of them refuse them to touch their religion. Some of them they really refuse them from touching their religion. From touching their religion. They did not touch their religion. Even their school system was never touched. To the extent that you can even use Hindi, the language of the Indians. You can use it to study up to university level. You can use it. You can even use Chinese to study to university level. Look at this country that technical wise, development wise, they have gone far. That is why enter our spare parts, where they are selling spare parts here in Nigeria. You will notice that 50% of ngwaahịa from a shop either from China or from India. Is it our pharmaceutical? Go to any pharmaceutical shop. 50% of drugs from either from China or from India. I can tell you they are doing well. They are using their own method to develop their science and technology, which the Anyari people will never reveal to you. But everything concerning Africa and Nigeria, we are going backward because we over-depend on them for everything. Believe in me, if you assemble our local engineers here, we can refine our own crude oil here. We can refine our own crude oil here. You know that even in my own community, my own village, during the Biafra War, there is this local refinery they built there. Even some remains of that tanks they used to do the refinery then. It's still here. I can tell you that we still have some local engineers that can still create a mini refinery we can use to refine our crude. Is it developing our technology? In Southeast alone, we can develop our armories. We can do it. Other regions, we have so many things we can do on our own. But for the fact that they reset our mindset to make us over dependent on them in everything. Morals, they made us to they demonize our method of worship. They demonize our forefathers, our system, our moral method. They demonize everything. by so doing making our people to forget about the way we do our own things. Some people even forget how to pay homage to their forefathers and their ancestors, calling their ancestors bad names while celebrating the whites. Only Igbo nwe uche. That is our problem. The rate of lies, lots of lies was told about against our people. Let me give you an instance again. They told us after they tried to promote whatever that is theirs. They promoted their Jesus. Try to make their Jesus superior than all the other messengers, bringers of messages all over the world. Throughout the whole world region, the bringers of those truths, none was as elevated the way they elevated their Jesus. First of all, they elevated him by telling you that he's God. That there is nothing you can ask and it will be granted to you except to ask in the name of Jesus, which is lies. The bandage will fall. I will explain. Don't forget that the world population is about 6-point-something billion. But I can tell you that China is 1-point-something billion. India is 1-point-something billion. So almost India and China is almost half of mankind. They are not Christians. Even the founder and owner of this blue app we are all enjoying today, he did not ask in the name of Jesus to be where he is today. The initiative, the creative mind, he got them by inspiration. He did not get them by asking in the name of Jesus. But in Africa, they told us to forget whatever we are doing, we asking in the name of Jesus. To make us lazy, over-dependent in their method. It will not help us. That's what they did to make sure that we remain indolent, over-dependent on them. The founder and the owner of Honda, did they ask for their inspiration and the progress of their company in the name of Jesus? The founder and the owner of Toyota vehicles, Toyota Motors, did they ask for the inspiration and vision and the promotion of their business in the name of Jesus? The founder and the owner of Tata Products. I was in India and I know Tata company is from India. Did they ask in the name of Jesus to get inspiration and vision how to create that automobile? Today, they will see the Bajaj, you will see the company that is producing the kekes, they are all from India. Did they ask in the name of Jesus to get the vision? The pharmaceutical company in India producing medicine, those people offering all those surgeries, not of Nigeria troops to India for medical tourism to get healing. Those doctors, are they asking in the name of? Are they asking in the name of? Did they ask in the name of Jesus? Are they asking in the name of Jesus? But they are achieving greatness. Look at even North Korea. North Korea, they are not Christians, but today they have already developed nuclear warheads. Science-wise, they have gone far. Did they ask in the name of Jesus? I just want you to do the answer, give the answer, and give the result to yourself. Those Chinese that is developing the smartphone, name them, those phones you are using, the iPhone, the Japanese people, the android, the Chinese people, did they ask Jesus in the name of Jesus to get inspiration how how to create those android and those electronic gadgets? Did they? But these Oyibo people, they slaughtered that one in the Bible, their Bible, because that Bible belonged to them. They own all the rights. Eh? But they told you not so that had Jesus. Keep the name Gebuna. Not so that had Jesus. We are your here now. Nyakana, you didn't not develop technical progress, and some countries are not in high mountain, developed wise. Have you visited Tokyo in Japan? Have you? You see the development there? Those people that develop those things, did they ask in the name of Jesus? Why have you allowed yourself to be deceived? Huh? Even the richest man in Africa, Anaja Adiko Dangote, did he ask in the name of Jesus to be wealthy? I have told you, Mr. Mark, the owner of the Blue app, or your Onaha Jesus. I can count, mention names. Even those scientists you are seeing in America, in the UK, and most of them are not even Christians. They did not ask the name of Jesus. They pay their attention in their inspiration and vision and get them done. They are not too over religious of people that will depend on their Passover nights and the night vigils and rest of them. Those things is not what you need. Those things, what you need is one, pay attention to your spiritual reflection and meditation. That is to communicate, to activate to their inner power. By so doing, you will be able to receive vision, how and the purpose you have and their mission here on earth in order to succeed massively. That is what you need. Not asking in the name of Jesus. What I'm telling you is that all those people are telling you that you are in the name of Jesus, you are not of Jesus on daily. With name of Jesus cannot work and do anything here in Africa. If name of Jesus can do anything, it can maybe in their place. Because in the spiritual realm, it can all work. If Jesus is their God, if Jesus is the God, white man God, so be it. But for we Africans, Jesus is not our God. Before he put that so-called religion here, is our people Machuku. Why they brought that religion is to use the words in that their book they arranged to keep us down. They slaughtered some certain things that will make us see their own chi as the greatest, so that we Africans will submit to their own distortions and their deceit. And there is no way they will be able to go far without introducing their own God, so that we Africans will submit under their control. That is why they drafted their own chi and promote it to high heavens. But what I'm asking you, those other Asian countries that did not succumb to their own chi, why are they progressing? You can see that their progress is not in the hands of the so-called Jesus. And there are natural laws that cover the universe. One, you must defeat fear. You must always be positive and defeat negativity. The attitude of the weakling, always believing that it's not possible. It's not possible. By so doing, you are weighing yourself down. But you must believe in the capability of the creativity. The only way you can make money here on earth is to remain creative. Whatever field you find yourself, try to always bring innovation and creativity into that field. Do you know? So try to be creative. Do you know that there are some people on social media that make a huge amount of money, living large? I've mentioned it to the other day. You can see somebody like a Blessed CEO. You can see the name them, the Angela Wosus and the other, some of them, some are social influencers. Some of them try. You can even see Ogbuefi. Yes, Ogbuefi is making money. Sometimes it's not as if he's promoting his content. What he's doing is that he knows people that do one or two. He will go and showcase you those people. Understand? Trying to help you to solve your problem by showing you where something is or where something is happening that you don't know. By so he's commanding traffic. By commanding traffic, he gets paid. Do you get? So you on your own, you can start your own. And another guy is coming. Doing almost the same thing Ogbuefi is doing. You understand? You can start your own. Once you be able to show people what they don't know, you get paid. The same thing is what Blessed CEO is doing. He tries to tell you what you don't know, coming from her own angle. And he's getting traffic. And once you'll be able to control traffic, that is money. So, search and reflect with your brain and mind. And know where your strength lies. And try to bring it to the limelight. Believe in me, things will turn around for you. So what am I saying? What I'm saying in essence is this. Know that what gives you money is not in the name of Jesus. Some of those things they are saying in the name of Jesus does. It's just those people that are not asking in the name of Jesus on a hard whatever development is in Igbo, ndị na-akpọ Jesus, ndị eriri eri, a na-enweta that church development n'ugwu Hausa, a na-enweta ya na mba China. Those things, ndị a niile adịghị akpọ n'aha Jesus, na ha na-enweta those things. Ka mkpọgoro airtime anyị nwere. Airtel anyị nwere for 500 naira bụ 0820 29 13 75 99 03 19. I repeat, 08 20 29 13 75 99 03 19. I will call for the last time. 08 20 29 13 75 99 03 19. So ihe na-achịkọwalụgo onye Igbo nwee uche ịkwena ka ndị mmadụ bịa demonize ya ihe niile gbasara gị ma ihe niile gbasara na nna gị wee na-elesisi gị na n'aha Jizọs ka ikpere niile na-egbu na wee gwa na ọ bụrụ eziokwu na o nwere ihe eji afa Jizọs wee mewu ihe na-asụ ude n'ime mmadụ bụ ya inner competition, the activation of the mind. Then you can create whatever you want to happen in your world with your spiritual mind. Quote me anywhere. Ọ bụrụ na o nwere onye ọbụla sịrị na ya bụ pastor anywhere in Nigeria, I challenge anybody. Bịa ka ngosi a tree or a sacred tree in Ugochi na temple. I will give you 1 hour. 1 hour. Ikpegide ekpere in the name of Jesus. Nya bụ osisi kpọnwụọ ma ọ bụ na ikpegide ekpere in the name of Jesus. Nya bụ osisi nwụrụ ọkụ ute adịghị nwe etinye ya ọkụ ọbụla. Kpegide ekpere n'aha Jizọs, ya bụ osisi nwụrụ ọkụ instantly under 1 hour, I will give you 500,000. Now, you find out that none of them will take up this challenge because it will never happen. It will never work. You cannot say in the name of Jesus and the inheritance will happen. It will not happen. It will not happen. So, my dear, go back to your roots. Make peace with your Ezumezu and your ancestors. Make our time to activate your inner will power. That is the bottom line. Because whatever you will achieve, you must have strong will and strong conviction and strong faith that this thing will come to pass. Far away from negativity, believing that it's not possible, and every time you already accept defeat. Never give up. Your willpower must be strong in order to attract those positivity you long for. Can I pour the glow airtime? For the glow airtime, 1622609877980227. I repeat, 1622609877980227. Let me call for the last time. 1622609877980227. N'ụbọchị taata n'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, ekwubie m okwu n'isi viewers all over the world, ndị niile na-esonyere anyị na oge awa nke eziokwu ebe ọ bụla onye anọ na viewers all over the world. Once you are under the influence of my voice, ekwuo m okwu, ekwubie m okwu ngozi n'isi gị ka ife ọma meele gị na distance ama abụ ebara ya n'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Ka ihe ọbụla bụ ihe ọbụla ọchịchị obi gị n'ọnwa Ọktoba na ọ ga-abịa na mmezu n'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Onye ike niile si n'aka ya bịa. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwee ajụjụ na nkụzi taa, send a message na WhatsApp 08057837672. maọbụ na ị chọrọ ka agbara gị afa mmiri emi maọbụ rụọ ọrụ mmụọ ọbụla, send m ozi 08057837672. Ya gazie.